Welcome to our guide on continuing professional development, CPD, and how to create a plan that works for you. So, what exactly is CPD? In simple terms, CPD is the process of continuously learning and developing your skills and knowledge within your chosen profession. CPD can take many forms, from attending workshops and seminars to completing online courses and participating in industry-related events. It's all about investing in yourself and staying ahead in your field. Now, let's talk about creating a CPD plan that works for you. The first step is to assess your current skills, knowledge, and career goals. Next, explore the various CPD activities available to you. Consider your learning preferences, interests, and availability. Once you've identified your goals, it's time to create a plan. Break down your goals into actionable steps and set deadlines to keep yourself accountable. Schedule your CPD activities on a calendar, making sure to allocate time for both short-term and long-term goals. Finally, regularly review and reflect on your CPD plan. Celebrate your achievements, learn from any setbacks, and adjust your plan accordingly. And there you have it, a guide to understanding CPD and creating a plan that works for you. Remember, CPD is not just about meeting requirements, it's about investing in your future and unlocking your full potential. Start your CPD journey today. How to create a CPD plan that works for you. Website: cpdcourses.com. Facebook: CPD Courses.